Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this key fob pocket. I already attached the key of my car to the pocket. In the package you're gonna get two key fob packet. Have a keyless entry car like most people do. This is a simple product that can add an extra layer of protection for your car keys. This is a key fob pouch and this package comes with two pouches as I already said. The idea is very simple. The pouch is designed to block the signal coming from your key fob, including the RFID, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS signals. Let me show you the pouch first, and then we'll go outside where it's my car and I'll demonstrate how it works. On the side, it has a carbon fiber style material. I also like the red stitches and a very strong Velcro closure, as you guys can see, and a small hook at the top so you can easily attach it to your bag or keep it with your keys. The important part on the inside, it has a special shielding packet. You want to make sure that the key fob is placed completely inside to the correct shielding packet and then close the pouch securely. I'll do this right now. Here we go. Now I want to test it. Let's go outside and test it when I go near my car. Now I'm gonna test it. I have the car key outside. It's locked at the moment. So when I put my hands here, it will open. As you guys can see, it's unlocked now. Now I'm gonna lock it. I don't know if you guys hear the sound. It's locked. And I will put the key inside. Make sure that it goes all the way down in the pocket and then you close it securely. And now the car is locked. I will go there and try to lock it. And as you guys can see, the car doesn't detect the key. So right now, when the key is inside, the car cannot detect the key. Now I will take out the key from the pocket and I will unlock the car again. I also like that you get two pouches in the package. You can use one for your main key and another one for a spare key, or give the second one to another person in your household. It's small, lightweight, and very easy to use. If you have a keyless entry vehicle and want an easy way to help protect your key fob signal when you are not using it, this is definitely something worth considering.